First thing I would say to them is don't ever Dr. Google it. Just stay away from Google and speak to your team. If I was talking to you as one of my patients, what I'd be saying is there is never ever a silly question. So there isn't a standard set of questions. I don't know what questions I would ask if someone had given me that news, but I think that any question that a patient has, it could be from what treatment am I going to have, how will my disease progress, how am I financially going to manage. Ask your team. We will be able to either answer your question or point you in the right direction, but there is definitely not a right question to answer, and there's certainly never a wrong question. Whatever is at the forefront of their mind, ask away, because holding that stress and worry can make things a lot worse for them. So we're very much an open door. You ask us anything. If we don't know the answer, we're not going to flower it up. We're going to tell you we don't know, but you know what? We'll go off and find out and find you that information. And I do say to a lot of my patients, I have a work mobile phone. You wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning, you've got this burning question. I'm not going to answer it. It's turned off in my drawer, but my answer phone's going to kick in. But you've actually offloaded that question onto my answer phone. So when I come in, I know, hang on a minute, you've called me through the night. This is bothering you. We need to address this because I want you to have a really good journey and a good experience. And that's what it's all about. And you'll find a lot of people will say, I can't sleep because I was thinking about this. Phone us, email us. We can deal with it because we can see the time it comes through, and we know that is a big problem. And as I say to them all as well, don't ever start with, I'm sorry to bother you. Don't ever be sorry. That's what we're here for as a team.